So tonight is not just another birthday party, ladies and gentlemen, because 60 years represent 6 decades of love, laughter, achievements.
Happy birthday, Beth! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you on a special day!
I'm dancing on cloud nine, way up in the sky. I'm flying so high, I'm sipping on sunshine. It's got me like wow.
Happy birthday!
Never come down, up here it's so bright. I'm feeling alive. I'm sitting
Tumayo po tayong lahat and please put your hands together as we welcome the beautiful, dashing birthday celebrant, Mrs. Maria Elizabeth Mariano.
all summer. We'll be diving in the deep end. School's out, so we're living like the weekend. Jump in, cause the water's fine. Come and get some peace of mind.
To 29 na ako. So, 29 years kasama ko. Di ko man maalala yung mga nauna na inaalagaan mo ako. Pero alam ko, ikaw yung nagbigay sa akin tsaka si Papa ng pinaka-the best na alam.
In the sky, I'm flying so high. I'm sipping on sun.
Kaya maganda rin sa magbabarkada na merong katulad ni Beth kasi siya yung nagbabantay sa akin. Kaya Beth, minsan man lang tayo magkita, alam mo na mahal ka namin. Wala man yung ibang kaibigan ko dito, pero mahal ka namin.
I'm sipping on sunshine. This heart was made for beating. These lungs were made for breathing. I can't believe I'm sipping on sunshine.
Happy 68th birthday, Ma. Alam mo, gaano kita kamahal. Magkakaapo ka na. Sana lalo tayo maging masaya. And yung kanta natin na I wanna make you smile whenever you're sad. Carrying you around when your arthritis is bad. All I wanna do is grow old with you.
I wanna make you smile whenever you're sad. Carry you around when your arthritis is bad. Oh, all I wanna do is grow
Sadly,
old with
namatay lang yung biyanan ko. Kasi sabi ko, Nay, sana abutin mo pa yung 60th birthday. Gagawin ko yung lahat para mapasaya siya. Alam mo naman yun, kung gaano kita sinusuportahan. Lahat ng gusto mo, kung makakaya ko, bibigay ko kung ano man yung sa atin, sa pamilya.
I'll miss
Mama, happy birthday. Mahal ka namin. Sana nagustuhan mo lahat yung nagawa namin. Yun. Kahit di ako palaging present. Ang tawag mo lang.
you. Even let you
Good health lagi. Tapos sana hindi ka na magalit sa amin. Kasi kahit magalit ka, mahal ka pa din namin. And more birthdays.
too much to drink. Oh, I could be the man.
I'm so happy na na-reach mo yung gantong age. Sobrang bilib ako dun sa mga ginawa mo. And gusto ko lang malaman mo na you are so fortunate, you are so blessed, especially sa family.
Tawag ko din po siyang mama actually. Kasi parang second mother ko na rin po talaga siya. And from the very start po, parang tinuring niyo talaga akong anak talaga. Thank you po, tita, for everything. Love na love kita.
Marami pa tayong gagalaan. Wish you the best, good health, at saka more candles to blow.
Thank you for everything. Sana bigyan ka pa ng madaming birthday ni Lord at maraming blessings. Ito lang ako palagi at saka siya. Pati si Inigo na dadating. So, love you!
Thank you sa lahat. Thank you sa mga advices mo. Pero mga maghuhugas na talaga kami ng pinggan.
At magwawalis na po ako ng bahay ng kalat.
Thank you sa lahat. Ngayon, hindi ko ine-expect na magkakaroon ako ng ganito.